Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to enable fingerprint or PIN login into your PayPal account on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your PayPal account and click on here, this three slider. Let's open up this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. It's going to open up this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on security. Just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on passkey. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do here is to simply click on create a passkey. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then enter your passkey pattern. You have successfully added the PayPal passkey. You can either log in with your fingerprint or PIN with just your phone straight into your PayPal account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.